channel, London's here. Hi, 大家好，欢迎又回到我的频道，我是 London. Today I want to share with you an authentic and yet super easy recipe, stir-fried spicy clam. 今天我想跟大家分享一下我是怎么做辣炒蛤蜊。I bought some fresh Littleneck Clams today. Now I can't wait to show you how I make this delicious and easy and authentic seafood dish. 今天我买了一些蛤蜊，想跟大家分享一下我是怎么做这道辣炒蛤蜊。那我们就开始吧。Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, wash and brush the clams thoroughly and check if there's any of them broken or opened. If they're shut tightly, you're good to go. If it's opened, you want to press it to see if it's shut back up again. If it does, it's good. If not, throw it away please, because it's dead. You don't want to eat dead shellfish. That's not going to be fresh. 首先就是要洗一下蛤蜊，然后检查一下有没有开口的或者破掉的。开口的话，你可以挤一下，看看它有没有自动关起来。关起来的话就没有问题，如果没有关起来的话，那就是死掉了，就不能再吃了。你肯定不想一个不新鲜的蛤蜊，最后搞得一锅鲜美的食物都无法享用了。Cut 4 to 5 slices of ginger. You can use more if you like, because seafood always likes gingers, and some scallions, and 1 dry chili pepper for later use. 4到5片姜、葱和1条干辣椒。今天我要炒大概40到45只蛤蜊。I'm cooking about 40 to 45 pieces of clams today. 大火热锅，锅热后倒入1到2勺的油，油温到5成热就可以放入葱姜和干辣椒煸炒。因为有干辣椒，油温过热的话，干辣椒会焦掉。炒一会儿，让葱姜和辣椒的香味完全煸出，然后倒入蛤蜊，马上盖盖子，然后摇几下，这样让蛤蜊均匀受热。On the burner, use high heat to warm up your pan. Then pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and warm it up. When the oil is warm enough, just warm enough. Don't let it to be too hot, because the chili pepper is easy to burn. Put in the ginger, scallions, and chili pepper and stir them. Let them cook for a little bit to bring out the full fragrance. Put the lid on right after you pour in your clam and shake it a little bit. 加热1分钟，开盖翻炒。Cook about 1 minute and open the lid. Stir the clams. Add 1 tablespoon of water and put the lid back on. Cook another minute or so, or until the clams start to opening up. 加1勺水，再上盖加热1分钟，或者蛤蜊开始开口了。Open the lid, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking alcohol or white wine. 打开盖，加入2勺料酒，或者是其他的白酒都可以。再盖加热3到5分钟。Lid back on, cook another a few minutes. Now you can see the juice is coming out. 这时你就可以看到蛤蜊的汁在流出来。Lid up and stir it. Keep cooking them. Let the juice cook down a little bit. 开盖翻炒，收汁就可以出锅了。一定记得要把汁也倒出来，非常鲜美。出锅后撒上一点香菜，这样一道美味又简单的辣炒蛤蜊就做好了。When it's done, transfer them to a bowl. Don't leave the juice behind. It's so tasty. Sprinkle some cilantro on top. It's ready. This dish is so satisfying. You have to try. Trust me. 这道菜真的太好吃了，你们一定要试一下。Hope you enjoy this video and try the recipe. See you next time. 希望你们喜欢这次的视频，谢谢，下次见。